Itu tak iba tambah indua me maleti en nai tau e en nai tau e raba mundo raiti a anda ko riu ta e
Ayah sanara eso era de visita ya lawa
ya yang butuh ini wa ini sini nanti tahu dari sini dia tahu dua enak tidak wajib
jadi kok
iya biar untuk cuma marama sa kanito menawa kena karuo na iyo ay rakelitu mo kurang prime minister
job test interview wamen appointment nila ngon sa sa dili punta lagi sa hotel ay alasan dito nangono ko
So, can the Attorney General still sit in the Constitution Office, the Commission, even though if he's part of the first party?
which one
The former Attorney General,
Yeah.
yes. Can he still be part of the Constitution Office, even though he's part of Fiji First Party?
according to the constitution if he accepts a public office and the constitutional office commission is a public office then if it's not an appointment by virtue of his status in parliament. So it's not ex officio. The leader of the opposition's position is ex officio. And everybody else, Prime Minister is ex officio, Attorney General is ex officio. The other members are not ex officio. They are nominated by the Prime Minister and the leader of the opposition. And if they accept, then they become holders of public office, therefore are disqualified from being members of parliament. That's my reading of it.
Who will replace Tanya Wanganiko?
Sorry?
Who will replace Tanya?
That's what.
Tanya Wanganike is a member of
As a member
COC.
of the COC.
Tanya Wanganiko, why are we talking about her?
Has she withdrawn, if you can confirm?
She is not a member of parliament.
Okay. Oh, yes. But has she withdrawn? Would you be aware?
No, I do not know.
Okay, so.
See, are you concerned sometimes the information is leaked from the Prime Minister's office, especially the Constitutional Office Commission was leaked to Fiji First, and those people who leaked the information will be investigated from the office?
It will be difficult to investigate because we do not know whether there are security measures in place for the electronic transmission of information from the office of the Prime Minister. So it'll be difficult, and it is sad that that has happened. It throws up that there is a lot of divided loyalties in the offices of the Prime Minister's office, and we will have to just be sharp about our assessment of whether they are totally loyal or have divided loyalties.
Sir, according to rumors, the Commissioner of Police has tendered his resignation today.
I do not know.
Are you aware of that?
No, I'm not.
Thank you.
I've been away from mobile network.
So if he is willingly tendering his resignation, do you think it's a right call for him?
That's a personal call. A resignation is a personal call.
Mr. Prime Minister, some of the specific areas of focus the Talano session touched on today with the children's rights, the prerogative, the Mercy Commission, and other things like the civil service retirement age. Can you just briefly touch on that?
There was a question on the rights of the child, and in Fiji that's interpreted as the banning of corporal punishment from schools. That's not necessarily the meaning of the rights of the child. The rights of the child is a convention by the United Nations, and it's up to the interpretation and the enactment of laws that observe the rights of children in various governments. It's up to the government. It's about their sovereignty and their right to make laws to suit the societies. You cannot have a blanket system for everybody else. Depends on the cultural structuring of the various societies.
You also touched on the appointment of the Mercy Commission, sir. You said it will be done on Friday?
Yes, it's one of the commissions that will be dealt with by the Constitutional Officer Commission according to the Constitution. If it's the COC that makes those appointments, it will make those appointments.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay?
Thank you.
I hope we've answered your question.